south.
Yes, everybody around the corner when you're number one. Major 136, contact.
I'm losing all of us that one. There it is. Push it up. Push it way up. Way up. Way up. Way up. That's it.
Back at 6 seconds, clear for takeoff.
Speedway.
Next time 86 in the position of 17 right.
Pull up. Pull up. Pull up. Pull up. Pull up.
Right turn off, traffic, mile per hour.
PSA 182 Lindbergh Tower. Traffic 12 o'clock, 1 mile assessment.
Okay, we have a deal there again.
9. 182, roger.
And this
How far are you going to take it down when 182 company traffic's waiting for departure?
Probably about 3 to 4 miles.
Okay.
exactly. And the time will be
PSA 182 clear to land.
182 is clear to land.
1 seconds. The tone, the time.
Tower, we're going down. This is PSA.
Okay, we'll call equipment for you.
Exactly. The tone, the time will be 9.
Okay, we'll call equipment for you.
This is it, baby. Break this down. I love you.
We're at 1,000 feet. Oh God, look.
15 flags.
15. Oh. Oh.
Runway and they'll line up for that one.
How long is it?
At the end of the runway, it's just a wide open field, so the length won't be a problem.
Flaps 40, please. Disregard, don't do that yet.
And you're 10 knots as well.
Roger, trying to correct.
Hey, I don't know why we're doing 40 anyway.
Speed. Heavyweight, isn't it?
162. Tire limit's 176.
What are you saying?
Why aren't we doing with 45?
Oh, we're not? Oh,
No.
I thought we were.
No, he's got...
Should be.
I know.
Just suggested. Too late now, I guess.
I don't even know where we are.
Final.
Ah, shit. We're here.
Guys, I'm concerned. Airspeed. You got nothing left. Bring the flaps up.
Bring the flaps up.
Too low, terrain.
We are,
Too low, terrain. Don't sink. Don't sink. Don't sink. Don't sink. Too low, terrain. Don't sink. Don't sink. Too low, terrain.
bring it out a stick shaker.
Stall. Stall. Stall.
Выключите! Выключайте двигатели! Выключите двигатели!